Hi guys, in this video we will see Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G amazing hidden feature. Today we will discuss 9 amazing hidden feature of Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G phone. The first one is to change notification style of your Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G phone, Android phone or any Samsung Galaxy mode. You can easily change your notification style, notification color, notification brand. Tap on settings of your Samsung Galaxy Android and here you will find the option notification settings. Tap on notifications and here you will find the option notification pop-up style. So choose notification pop-up style. Tap on it and here you will find two options, brief and choose brief, and you can see effect, color and advanced feature also available here. Changing the color of your notifications bar can personalize your Android device and make it stand out. You will put a effect, a lot of effect also available here for your pop-up notifications settings. Modifying the appearance of your notification bar allows you to create a unique and personalized look for your device. Updating the color scheme of your notification bar periodically or based on different themes can enhance your device overall performance. These are various methods including built-in settings, third-party apps and custom ROMs to customize the color of your notification bar. Exploring different customization option can help you find the perfect notifications bar color that matches your style and preferences. So you can easily change color of your notification style. Various type of colors available here. Choose as per your choice. Adjusting notification bar color, changing notification bar background, personalizing notifications bar design, and a lot of feature you can use in Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G Android phone newly released by Samsung. How to use and apply adaptive display on Samsung F70e 5G. The adaptive display technology uses a combination of hardware and software components to analyze the visual data and adjust the display settings. Simplified overview of the process, content analysis, display adjustment and many more for your smoother functioning of your Samsung phone. Tap on settings of your Samsung Android and here choose display. Here go to motion smoothness. And here you will find two options, adaptive and standard. Adaptive display having function auto brightness. The technology can adjust the brightness of the display based on the ambient light condition. Color enhancement. The technology can enhance the color accuracy and vibrancy of this display. Contrast ratio. The technology can adjust the contrast ratio of the display. Eye care. So how to use side button in your Samsung Galaxy Android F70e 5G. Samsung offers a lot of new features and side button is one of them. You can decide what it does when it is long pressed and double pressed of your side button. Go to settings of your Samsung Galaxy Android and here you will find advanced features. Tap on it. Here you will find side button. Tap on it and here you will find long press or double tap. So choose double tap and here a lot of apps available here. Choose as per your choice. If you want to choose camera, torch, video recording, some other features also available here. If you want to change open apps using side button, then here are the options. Simply select it and choose your side button and you can see torch is now open using side button. Now we will see how to use side button to open app. Click on app, tap on settings and you will see a lot of apps available here. Choose any one which you want to open through side button. So you can easily open any app through your Samsung Galaxy side button. You can also change apps. Choose a lot of apps available here. Choose any one of them. For example, we will choose YouTube, and you can see long press your side button and YouTube will play. So it's a very interesting feature Samsung has introduced, like a iPhone side button feature. How to turn on or off display screen by applying a double tap on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. Tap on settings of your Samsung Galaxy Android F70e or any other Samsung Galaxy and Android, and here go to advanced features. Here you will find the option motion gestures. Tap on it. Tap on motion gestures under advanced features, and here you will find the option double tap to turn on screen, and also you will find double tap to turn off screen. Turn the toggle button on. To enable this feature, double tap to turn on the screen. For example, this is the apply double tap and your screen will on. If you double tap to turn off a screen, turn on this toggle button, and you can see apply a double tap and your screen will go off. So you can easily turn off or turn on a screen display screen of Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G phone by applying double tap to turn on or turn off display screen. How to enable swipe for a split screen on Samsung Galaxy F70e. On your Samsung Galaxy Android phone, Samsung Galaxy phones have an enhanced split screen feature called multi-window that offers more flexibility than stock Android. Go to settings of your Android, Samsung Galaxy Android, and here go to advanced features. Here you will find the option multi-window. Tap on multi-window, and here type on multi-window, and here you will find a swipe for left, a split screen. Turn the toggle button on. Now you can open the first tab, swipe up with 2 fingers from the bottom of the screen. This instantly activates a split screen on your Samsung Galaxy devices. Simply select the second app from the app list or open one from the home screen. So swipe up for the first screen and select the second app from the app list or open one. How to enable pop-up view on Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G phone. When it comes to multitasking, Samsung devices stand out with their innovative pop-up view feature. The unique ability allows user to run multiple apps simultaneously, enabling a seamless transition between tasks while enhancing overall productivity. Here go to settings and scroll down and you will find advanced features. Tap on it, and here you will find multi window. Tap on it and full screen in a split screen view, and you can see a screen size. Swipe to pop-up view. Enable this feature. Full screen mode. You can also resize your window size, pop-up window size. You can easily resize here. Full screen in a split screen view. You can see. Simply swipe and your screen will pop up a screen and size as per your settings. So you can easily use a pop-up view of your window, and multitasking you can use simultaneously. You can see calculator is also open and your other screen is also working. Simply swipe and drag and your window will now multitasking pop-up window. So you can use multiple window simultaneously by using this feature. Look for the app icon at the top of the app. Tap and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Open in pop-up view. You can also choose such type of option. So So simply swipe and resize your windows as a pop-up window. You can see a various type of feature available here, various type of sizes you can manage. Simply use another app, and 2 to 3 app you can easily working in pop-up. How to enable lift to wake feature on Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G. The Samsung devices automatically activates its screen as soon as the device is lifted. This is the lift to wake motion function that is enabled by default. The function can be turned on or off in the motion and gesture settings. Go to settings, tap on advanced feature, tap on it. Here look for the option motions and gestures, tap on motions and gestures, and here at the top option you will find lift to wake option. Turn the toggle button on to enable it, or if you want to disable it, turn the toggle button off. So simply first enable it, and you can see as soon as you lift your Samsung device, your phone will awake. So lift to awake function is very important. It works on all S and series Samsung phone and also F70e 5G newly introduced Samsung model. So simply lift the phone and your phone will awake. The function can be turned on or off in the motion and gesture settings. So simply lift your phone and awake your phone. That's how to enable flash notifications on your Samsung Galaxy phone, Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G. Flash notifications on Samsung Galaxy devices help you avoid missing important calls, messages or app alerts by blinking the LED light near the camera or using a screen flash. This feature works for both default and third-party apps. Here are the process. You can easily enable it. Swipe down and go to settings, and here tap on notifications. Here scroll down and you will find flash notifications at the bottom of the page, and here you can easily turn on flash notifications. Turn the toggle button on or off, and you can see a flash on camera will be blinking. Select notifications or LED indicators and ensure your device battery saver mode is off, as it may disable flash notifications to conserve power. Check app specific notification settings to ensure they allow flash alerts, and you can see a flash alerts on your camera is blinking now. So it's an important feature, and you can easily enable or disable it. Flash notifications enhances visibility for incoming calls and messages, especially in loud or crowded place. You can receive a notification flash on your any app, messages or any other feature. You can choose a color, simply customize it and choose a flash color. Different flash color is also available here, and choose from here a different color, and accordingly your flash notification color will be changed. Customizable settings let you choose between LED flash or a screen flash for alert. So it's a very important feature available for all Samsung Galaxy Android phones, Samsung Galaxy S24,